Hey there, in this quick video I will show you how to change the language in your Opera browser step by step. Let's jump right into it. First, open Opera and click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll the way down and click on Go to Full Browser Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Advanced button. Click it to expand more options. Scroll down again until you find the section called Preferred Languages. Here you will see a list of languages currently added to Opera. To add a new language, click Add Languages. A pop-up will appear. Either scroll or use the search part to find your desired language. Select it, then click the Add button at the bottom. Once the new language is added, you will see it appear in your list of preferred languages. Click the three vertical dots next to that language, then choose Display Opera in this language. Opera will now ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch. When Opera reopens, everything will be in your selected language. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and choose a different language. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Opera browser language. If this helped with you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.